Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales showing you our 62 Buick Special, little V8 automatic car. Good looking little car. Drives down the road good. I think it's a 190 V8, that's what it says on the air cleaner. So not real familiar with my Buick Specials, so not a lot of them around, but kind of cute little cars. Bucket seats. Previous owner said he had transmission rebuilt, got a newer radio and gauges, everything interior is good. We do have a black one of these, so that's probably busted, sure it is. So it needs an armrest and also needs a door lock on the other side. But good clean little four lug chrome wheels on it. Not a lot of bad things to show you on the body because it's a nice driver quality. Right there got a little chip. Nice driver quality paint job. A little bit of orange peel, but not bad. So got a pretty good, decent shine to it. You can probably see my reflection a little bit. So neat little car. Not a lot of these around. You'll be one of the few that has one. 605-695-7391.